Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix TikTok camera quality. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're trying to take videos or photos in TikTok and the camera quality is really poor, there are two different steps that we can go through to make sure that it has very high resolution, good quality. The very first thing that we'll do is we'll head into our settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we find camera, and we'll tap on camera here. Now we're going to go to record video, the second option here, and you want to make sure that your camera settings, when you record the video on your iPhone or Android itself, or in very high quality. So you can see here you don't want to choose 720p, you want to choose something like 4, or the highest resolution that your camera has, and then you can scroll down if there are other things that on Android enable higher quality resolution. You'll want to choose those. And then we want to go to record slow-mo and make sure that as well as say, let's do 1080p at 20 frames per second. So that slow-mo is in high quality as well. And you can check everything else and make sure that it is high quality for when we record it in TikTok so that it'll save as high quality and post as high quality. So once we're done with that, we can hop out of here and we'll open up the TikTok app itself. Now, once we're on the app, we'll tap the little plus icon at the bottom center here, and I'm just going to record a quick video here. Once I've done that, I'll hit the check mark at the bottom right and then hit next again. Of course, you'll go through the steps to edit this video, add music, captions, whatever you want to the video. But at the very end before you hit post, you can see more options at the bottom here. So we'll tap that. And the second option is allow high quality uploads. Higher quality videos may take longer to process, so you want to make sure that is toggled on so that you can have high quality camera videos and photos when you upload those to TikTok. And both of those combined should make it really crisp and clear when you upload to TikTok. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.